What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. We are not in Delhi NCR, we are in Marchula. This is about 1 hour drive from Ramnagar, about 40 minutes from Corbett National Park. So we have come to Marchula, we are staying in a resort here, but we have come to a small place, a restaurant here. The name of the restaurant is Midway Restaurant, and we are going to try some local food. The chef is going to prepare a couple of dals, a mutton dish, a fish and a nice pahadi raita. So let's see what's cooking in the kitchen. We are in Midway Hotel. There is a restaurant on the ground floor. This is in Marchula. It has taken a couple of hours for all these fantastic dishes to be in front of us. There are plenty of dishes. So let me start from one corner. This is Mandwe ka roti. Just see the texture of the roti. Quite thick and different from gehu ki roti. We have a fish curry with thick gravy. Now this fish curry has got rohu in it. So they have procured it from outside. Rohu is not available otherwise locally. We have a mutton curry which is very common in pahadi areas. We have a batki dal. We have a pahadi raita in front of us. We'll taste what is inside this raita. We also have another dal which is kulit ka dal. We saw how it was prepared. I think all the dishes were prepared with basic aromatics and spices, but the last touches they give that differentiates one dish from another. We also have two kinds of chutney. We have batki chutney and a green chutney. They have given a salad, freshly cut vegetables and a jeera rice. start tasting one by one. What would you want to try, Abhishek? Where will you start?
Everything looks so interesting, and I think I haven't tried any of this before.
You want to start with the chutneys?
Yeah.
This is Bhatki chutney.
So this you said is bhatki chutney.
Bhatki chutney.
Okay.
Bhat is, I think, a kind of soybean. This is kala bhat. Let me also take a small.
I think it's the mustard seeds, very fresh mustard seeds that they have used. Mustard paste.
I can't identify. Probably mustard, and there is a little bit of khatapan, little bit of sourness.
The sourness.
But we have never tried this chutney before.
Maybe from the curd.
Actually, when you taste it, it has got a little grainy, or what should I say? It is little chunky to taste. It's not a
And with I would say kadwa.
It's a little bitter.
It's little bitter and on a pleasant side. It's not unpleasant. It's a very pleasant bitterness that you get from the orange peels or something like that.
Very different chutney. We have the green chutney, so let me just taste the green chutney. Let's see whether this is different. No, this is the regular coriander chutney, but this one, Bhatki chutney. Very, very different. We don't know exactly what are the ingredients. If you know the ingredients which go into Bhatki chutney, let me know in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. So now we are going to try the dal. There are two kinds of dal. One is Bhatki dal and other one is Kulit dal. Kulit dal, again, it's very unusual, but anyway, we don't have it in Delhi. So again, a new experience. So I think this is
I can see big grains.
I think that is the kala bhat.
That is the kala bhat, and that has gone into the chutney as well.
Yes. But here, I think what they've done is, I saw they had kept a portion of kala bhat which was roasted.
Okay.
I tasted it, it was kind of neutral. There was nothing special about it. But let's see whether with the gravy it tastes different.
Spice is quite intense because I can feel it in the throat.
Okay, because I saw them adding spice. They were tasting it and again adding chili powder.
And this bhatki, these seeds, they have kept it quite, on a harder side.
Okay.
It's firm, it's hard.
So it is not like dal makhani.
It's
So
not
it is
really like a rajma, but it's a bit hard. You can try it.
There is a little bit of that velvety texture, but like Abhishek said, it is spicy. And the dal has got a bite. It is little chewy. We can try the next one.
So this is the kulit dal, and this is quite consistent and thick, I would say. And some of the oil you can see on the top. This somewhat, the taste resembles dal makhani, but it's very grainy and.
Actually, this resembles dal makhani. Looks are deceiving because it tastes very different. We are saying it's different in a good way. Don't compare it with dal makhani. Pahadi food is entirely different. The tastes are new. You will have to eat it once or twice to get familiar with the taste because they use local ingredients. They are not what you get in the city. This is what is locally grown. So they have made everything with the local ingredients. Yes, Abhishek.
Yes. So I think they have, kept the dal soaked for a very long time because then even the water that they have used, only that water in which the dal was soaked. So you can, that is why the dal is very thick and you can taste the stock of the dal.
Also, they cooked it for almost 30 minutes. So, again, different dals, different experience. So, we have a unique chutney, two new dals which we have tasted. And now we will taste. Do you want to taste this raita? This is the
Yeah.
Pahadi raita. Actually, I have tasted the Pahadi raita in Pahadi Organic, which I visited, I think, a year or couple of years back. If you have not seen that video, I'll give a link right up here. This has got different texture, and this is different from our normal raita.
I'll mix it a little
Yeah.
because then I'll get all the masalas and then I think there's a lot of cucumber in it. Yes. Very light and refreshing.
Actually, this looks little different because the one which I tasted in Pahadi Organic, they had added little turmeric, and here is cucumber. I think they had added, I think, mooli. So it had a radish. So it had a different kind of taste. Also, now I remember in this Kulidka dal, towards the end, they had added a handful of the mooli leaves, radish leaves, finely chopped. So probably that's why it is tasting slightly different. So let me also taste raita. This is quite refreshing. It was hot in the afternoon, though the temperature is kind of come down. This is absolutely great stuff. Not spicy at all. They had garnished it with, I think Kashmiri chili powder and things like that. But very clean, very nice, very refreshing. Now we have mandwe ki roti. The roti is getting cold, and then there is a mutton dish, and there is a fish curry.
Sorry, this is the fish.
Okay, the fish curry was cooked in mustard paste. So I think Abhishek, you should try the fish first. Do you want to try with the roti or you want rice?
I've tried with the roti.
Yes. This is a nice chunky piece of rohu with thick masala. We requested them to make only thick gravy, not a kind of very watery gravy. I don't think this is a large fish because the...
I think I should use hands because
Please go
it
ahead.
must be having a lot of bones. So
The fish looks good because...
I
Yeah.
got a big bone. So it's very mild and very subtle flavors.
But are you getting the taste of the mustard?
I'm getting taste of the mustard, a lot of coriander, and a little bit of spiciness, but very mild.
But is it different from the Bengali style of rohu fish curry, because they also made it in mustard paste? It
Yeah.
doesn't. It looks very different.
Here the flavor of the mustard is not that evident,
Yes.
but I would say it is similar. It has a thicker masala. They use some water. They dilute the over. They make it like a curry.
Yeah.
But now here you can see it's a
It's quite thick.
very thick masala.
It's very thick.
Yes.
It doesn't flow. It's a very
And the
thick.
flavor of the mustard is subtle here. There it is loud.
Why don't you taste it with the roti and tell us how the combo works?
I have to be careful.
We are quite excited to try the fish, but if you're trying the fish for the first time, be careful of the bones. Remove the bones, and if it gets stuck in your throat, you got to be really careful. And if it happens, what you do is you take a ball of steamed rice and eat it. It will take the bone down.
The
This-
thick masala
Yeah.
goes very well with this,
Yeah.
this rustic roti, I would say. Why don't we try it?
I think this mandwa is some kind of millet which grows in the hills. Let me take a piece of mandwa. Let me try the masala. I'm more interested in trying the masala than the fish itself.
It's very bony.
Okay. Since Abhishek says it's very bony,
Yeah.
I'm trying the gravy.
Yeah.
The gravy is nice. Yes, there is the taste of fish and mustard. I also get a slight bitterness. I don't know whether it's from the mustard. Plenty of mustard has gone inside. But let me taste the fish. The fish is quite flaky and white. Very neutral tasting. It goes well with this masala and the roti. Now the mutton. The mutton is quite juicy. I'm going to taste the gravy of the mutton first. The fact that there are a lot of juliennes of ginger is amazing. I like the taste when you get to bite into this ginger juliennes. Ginger juliennes are fine, but not big pieces or chunks of ginger. Now Abhishek is going to try the mutton with this mandwe ki roti and tell us how mutton tastes.
Okay. So I'll take some gravy.
Yep.
It's not gravy, it's the masala only. Just like there's masala in the fish.
Actually, that's a welcome change because people have a notion that when you come to hills, particularly Uttarakhand, you get a lot of tari, like aloo tariwala, and the anda is also made in a very loose gravy. So this is a welcome change. Both the dals, the chutney, the fish and mutton has got thick gravy. So you can eat it with the roti. You don't have to necessarily eat it with rice. Though I think fish and the dals will taste nice with the rice. Yes, Abhishek. How is the mutton?
The masala is very good. I can taste freshly cut onions and tomatoes, and they have also put ginger juliennes. So it's not as if the extra fat is going inside, it's just the fresh clean ingredients.
That is another thing. We don't find a lot of fat or oil floating around. Also, do you like a homogeneous gravy or do you like gravy with when you can taste the ingredients? What
I like bit of texture.
You like bit of texture?
Yes.
Because if you are tasting korma, which we have done earlier, again I'll give a link up here when we have tasted chicken korma, that has got a homogeneous, nice gravy. Yes, that flavor is nice, but this is entirely different and these two is great.
The mutton is not very tender. So you can chew it. It's not very difficult to chew, but it's still chewy. But the overall flavor is very good.
We randomly picked up this place. In fact, we asked a couple of people and they suggested we come to Midway Hotel in Marchula and try the dishes. Actually, these dishes, I don't know whether they have in their menu, but when you come here, you can request them to make it. They will take an hour or hour and a half to make these dishes, and they're all happy to feed you when you're willing to try Pahadi dishes.
And give them time.
Give them time, yes. Yes, I think the mutton is a little chewy because... But is it cooked properly, the mutton?
It is, but not the way we are used to eating it, because I'm from Lucknow.
Yes.
And we have very soft and tender mutton. But this, I think along with the gravy, this is going well.
Yeah. Because earlier also in Pahadi Organic, when I tried mutton, the texture was different. It is not like the gravy which we are used to in Old Delhi or Lucknow or in places like Hyderabad. So try these dishes and enjoy the Pahadi food in Midway Hotel, Marchula. We are going to continue eating. We are going to try the rice. Again, I really want to take a bite of the raita. This is really amazing. This is really good. Just see the texture of the raita. Really good stuff. So we will continue eating. There are plenty of dishes. We will take half an hour, 40 minutes. Since there is fish, we are going to eat a little slowly. I hope you have enjoyed this video with lots of food. Actually, there were I think 8 dishes.
Yeah.
If you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to Chomping Champion and click on the bell button to get the notifications whenever we upload a video. That's twice a week. Also check our website www.chompingchampion.com. We are on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Please follow us and support us. Till the next video, probably one again from the Pahadi region from Uttarakhand. We'll see you next time.